Our next guest has eBay as his best value idea and thinks we're at a turning point in the AI investor story. Joining us from the Consumer Electronics Show is Baird Senior Research Analyst Colin Sebastian. Colin, I did not have eBay on my bingo card as big movers out of CES this year.
Yeah, it might not be the first option that you'd pick, but I think really putting together the two largest e-commerce platforms that are operating outside of new and season retail, Facebook Marketplace and eBay, really speaks volumes about the strength of both of those platforms. And for eBay, really puts them back on the map, I think, in terms of overall e-commerce.
Hasn't Facebook Marketplace basically eaten their lunch? Colin, I mean, we're showing the shares of eBay, which are up 60% over the past year, but it seems to me they must have lost some decent share to Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, I think over time in the classifieds business, Facebook Marketplace has taken a lot of share, where eBay has really established itself as a leading marketplace outside of new and season retail, is in used product liquidations that really aren't about local sellers. So they ship products worldwide, and that really distinguishes itself from marketplaces like Facebook. And that's part of what I think makes a lot of synergy potential from this combination. Yeah,
and this is a name that you think will continue to perform well. So investors who are maybe thinking about owning the stock can rest on your recommendation there. What else out of, maybe it's out of CES or just in general, given the positioning in the space, do you think is interesting right now?
Well, you know, we're at CES, as you mentioned. There are thousands of companies here, hundreds of thousands of people. It's amazing to see what the generative AI boom has led to and driven in terms of the ideas and inspiration. From our perspective, it's hard to pick the winners in agents and applications at this point. We like the infrastructure providers, so Google and Amazon in particular. They're spending more on an annualized basis, the four hyperscalers by the end of this year annually, than the GDPs of countries like New Zealand and Finland. That's opening up new revenue opportunities. They will benefit from this AI boom. And so we continue to like the bigger hyperscaler infrastructure companies.
And you think we'd probably stick with it, as do many. So was there anything when Meta announced those content changes that would, give you some pause in that direction and think, okay, now that maybe a little bit of a looser leash could cause some blowback in the future?
Yeah, I don't think so. I think there was a lot of variability in content moderation, through the elections, through the pandemic, and I think there's a bit of a right-sizing, recalibration now. So I think it's generally going to be a positive step. Obviously, the devil's in the details, but for Meta, I believe it's the right step.
All right, Colin, thanks for joining us. We'll let you get back to it. Colin Sebastian from Baird.